How y'all doing? Well, let me put it up here. Hey y'all. So this is my first time trying Free Birds World burrito. I got the monster burrito, the Kanye. I think Cayenne, girl, the cayenne pepper tortilla. And then here go my little order right here. You know what I'm saying? Here's saying what I got on there. You feel me? Can y'all see that? Oh, y'all can. But I got the burrito, the monster burrito, cayenne tortilla. I don't know why I was just saying cayenne. Cilantro rice, refried beans, pork, peppers and onions, cheese, corn, salsa, pico de gallo, cilantro, jalapenos, lettuce, white onion, habanero sauce, sour cream, garlic, like roast garlic, and lime juice, tortilla strips. I'm sorry. Tortilla strips. I don't know why I got a fork. But then I also got these chips from HEB. The bread and butter pickle. Wavy potato chips. So then I also got me a original cola. This was like $2.50 HEB, and this is like $127. And then my burrito by itself with like everything on there, it was like $14 and some change. But yeah, I'm finna take my first bite. This is my first time trying it. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me set my teeth. Y'all, this hole is saying this hole. I'm sorry. This is bomb. This is busting. When I say it's good, it's so good. Like, I can just taste all the flavors. It's so moist. Like, it ain't no dry burrito. Like, I can just taste everything. So, yeah. So, we're gonna try these tips. This is my first time trying these tips, too. And, you know, they only selling these for only a limited of time. So, they're not gonna be selling this all year round. Okay. So, let me take my first bite of this. It's good. It tastes just like the pickle. Like, I'm a bread and butter pickle fan, and this tastes exactly like the pickle, so they did real good with the, you know, the similarity of the taste. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Bye.